I'm honestly tired of seeing newcomers come to PoppoLive very excited to learn, very excited to earn, only to end up confused, disappointed, or even feeling cheated because they don't understand how exchange work. And today, I'm making this video because somebody left a comment under the comment section of my videos on this channel, and she said, "Ma, I gifted her 30k coins, but what she gifted me was not up to. I think she gave me 1k or so, and she's the one putting me through on the app. Was she supposed to gift me 30k coins, or did she cheat me?" Now, this is a very important question, and I am not making this video so that I will accuse that particular agent of cheating or anything like that, because I don't know exactly what happened between them. I'm here to clarify what's going on, as well as use this situation to teach beginners on PoppoLive something very, very important. Number one, before you send coins, make sure you understand exactly what you are agreeing to. Don't go about sending your coins and then start asking questions afterward. And there's something I also want to clarify. There is a little bit confusion about gifting and exchange. If you are gifting someone simply because you want to appreciate them, that one is a gift. If you are sending coins because you want to appreciate somebody, that is a gift. You shouldn't automatically expect that person to send you the same thing back. But if you and that person have specifically agreed that you are doing an exchange, that's different thing. An exchange means both parties understood or understand what they are sending and what they are supposed to receive. Why did I say what they are supposed to receive? Because on PoppoLive, for instance, now, if I send you 10,000 coins, you will receive 7,000 points. 30% of that coins is going to Poppo. So if you send me 10,000 coins too, I will receive 7,000 points. So you need to understand what you are giving and what you are receiving. So if someone tells you, send me 30,000 coins and I will give you 30,000 coins, don't just send the coins because you trust the person. Confirm, especially if you are a beginner. Confirm everything first. Ask question, how many coins am I sending? That is a question. Once both of you understand the terms and you understand what you are receiving, then you can decide whether you want to proceed. Now, let's answer that question properly so that newcomers will understand very well. She sent 30,000 coins, and what she received, she believed that she received was only 1,000 points. Was the person supposed to give her exactly 30,000 points? The answer is, if they agree on a particular amount and that agreement was not honored, that is a different thing. That means she was cheated. But if they never agree that she should send 30,000 coins and the person will send the same, then I cannot automatically assume that she was cheated, right? And this is the lesson I really want everybody to take away. Don't operate on assumption. Ask question before you send. And if you are a newcomer, one mistake I see a lot of you people make is somebody introduce you to PoppoLive or any of the live streaming apps, and the person becomes your agent, and because you trust that person, you assume everything they tell you must be correct. Please, don't do that. Your agent is there to guide you and support you, yes, but you also have your own responsibility to understand what you are doing with your own account or with your own coins. If you don't understand something, ask question. What am I doing? What am I sending? Why am I sending? What am I receiving? And you can also come to my channel. Like, I've made over 150 videos talking about this app, talking about different live streaming platforms, different live streaming app. Like in the comment section of this video now, I've dropped a link to sign up, a link to become an agent, and a playlist of the 150 videos. Like I recently made a video answering 20 most frequently asked questions. You can come here, like, subscribe, share. And if you are an agent, you are not sharing, you cannot create content to explain what is going on, you can also just pick my video, collect that playlist, send it. After all, if they have already become an agent, or they have already joined your agency, or they have already used your referral link, all they will do in watching my video is to learn and understand, right? So you need to ask those questions, and you need to also learn on your own. If you ask question and you did not get or you did not understand, don't send. You are allowed to take your time. You don't have to rush, right? You don't have to make transactions simply because somebody is telling you do it immediately, do it now, send it now. You are not saying that people are growing. In fact, if someone says send it fast, send it first, I will explain everything to you later, that's when I want you to stop. Don't allow anyone to pressure you. Don't allow anyone to make you do something that you don't understand. Anything you don't understand, keep your money, keep your coins, keep your account. Do you look at YouTube now? Some of us are in YouTube years before now, and even children yet unborn, they will be on YouTube and they will still make money. That is it. All you need to do is to take your time to understand first. Take your time. My people perish for lack of knowledge. You need to understand what the app is all about. Like people that we started, this is my 5th year on PoppoLive, and people that we started, a lot of them are no more, because some they go against trying to create multiple accounts. They don't know that this app is run on Web3. Anything that you can withdraw, any app that you can withdraw with USDT, you should know that this is run on Web3, and AI is going so fast. So anything you do from your IP address and everything, it will be detected that it is multiple accounts and all that. So all you need to do, what keep me to stand this strong and this long, is transparency, is diligence. I keep on learning. Anything I don't understand, I ask questions. And up until now, even people that sign up or join Poppo this year, there are some things that they know that I don't, and I ask questions. Know what you are sending, know what you are receiving, and confirm the agreement before you send. Also make sure you are sending to the correct person. And if I say sending to correct person, I've done a practical video showing you how to do the exchange properly, so that you will not send to the wrong person. Because some people, what they do is that when you want to send to this person and you end up sending to another person, a lot of people, they will say, I don't have coins, I did not prepare for that, I will not send back. And please always follow the rules and regulations, follow the guideline, read the guideline. Don't participate in suspicious activities simply because someone tells you it will help you make more points or level up faster. I know of someone that was back then telling people that they can help you to level up so that you'll be doing higher tasks and your leveling up will never drop, which is a lie. And even when they were trying to follow back though, it was discovered and they are all banned. They are all banned from the app. So follow the rules and regulations. If you see anything that is fishy or something went wrong, don't immediately start insulting people, insulting your agent, or start attacking the person. Go back and check your coins and your point balance. And that video that I made on exchange, if you watch it, it also shows you how you can check your transaction record. You can also check your message. From there, you will notice that, okay, this person have actually already sent me the coins or the point, or these coins did not really go because this is the amount of coins I have before. I've seen people that they will say this person scam me and all that. They'll come to my panel and I'll say, okay, show me proof. They'll say they don't know how to. I say, go to your message or go to your points, screenshots, check your transaction, go to your coins, check the transaction, and it will be that you think you send and you did not send, or that person have already sent and you have even withdrawn without even knowing. So if you believe that there's a fraudulent activities, contact the appropriate PoppoLive support channel. It's right there in your app. Why can't you just reach out to the support, right? With evidence. Okay, now it is time for me to talk or speak to agents for a minute. If you are an agent and you are bringing people on this app, please don't take advantage of their lack of knowledge. Remember that you are once a beginner too, and your job is not to make someone lose or someone to hate the app. Instead, your job is to teach them, explain to them things clearly, let them ask questions. If you don't understand coins, points, exchange or leveling up, take your time and explain. Watch my video or send them my video, because when you genuinely educate your people, you build trust. And I want to make this very, very clear. This video is not to attack on agents. There are many good agents who genuinely teach, who genuinely support, and who are helping a lot of us to grow. I'm simply saying that education and transparency should come first. And to all newcomers that are watching me, please don't be afraid to ask questions. This is a question that somebody asked now that I'm explaining. And this morning I've already posted like 3 short video answering people directly. Some I'm even dropping voice notes now, because YouTube have upgraded. You can actually reply to comments under the comment section of your videos with voice note, right? So feel free to ask your question. I've done that 20 most frequently asked question. You can go watch it, and if you cannot access it, you can just ask me the link to the 20 most frequently asked question, or you can just put link to frequently asked question. That's FAQ. I will give you the link to that video. You can learn gradually. Don't rush because somebody else is already making progress. And don't put your coins into an exchange you don't understand simply because someone says so. That's how we do it right here. Understand it first, then act later. Don't trust blindly. Learn, and don't allow anybody to pressure you into transaction you don't understand. If this video helped you in any way, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell. And if you have PoppoLive question, or you want access to other live streaming platform, drop a comment. If I see 20 people that comment, I'm going to introduce a new app to you, which I'm also just learning about the app. But trust me, I'm one person that before I bring any app to this platform, to this channel, I'll make sure that at least I have experienced it, I've withdrawn from it and all that. So thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.